How to get $300 Uber Eats coupon code. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Uber Eats coupon. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. Scroll down and tons of different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me move into this one. Simply click on it. It will lead you to this page. In this page, tons of different coupons and offers will be visible to you. Scroll all the way down and you'll get to see more. In here, you have to search for $300 coupon. And once you find that coupon, you need to click on it. Once you click on it, the coupon code will be available to you. All you want to do is tap on copy and copy this coupon code. Once you have copied the coupon code, now you can head over to the application Uber Eats and then apply this coupon code. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can find $300 Uber Eats coupon code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.